So here it is, the super cute, tiny, tiny, tiny little car humidifier slash essential oil diffuser. It's really, really small. I mean, look at my hand. Look, I can't. It's about the size of a can of Coke or Pepsi or whatever soda you like to drink. Yeah, it's like a can of something, and it will fit into your cup holder easily. It doesn't look like it's, you know, on fire or whatever, but it does do a little nice little light show. It has just this one button. If you put it on, let's start with off. This is off. You put it on and it starts to go. And if you do like just one light, I think if you just leave it like this, it doesn't change. Oh no, it does change lights, but with the second press, it keeps the light, I believe, because I don't see any difference in the amount of mist. Yeah, so second press is, if you do like it to be right now, for me it's like a blue, so it stays blue. What happened just now? One, stays on. And still changes colors. Two, it stays on. Doesn't seem to change colors. Mist also seems to be the same. A lot. For this little tiny thing, it really does throw out a lot of mist. And third press turns it off. And inside, it's just like a regular diffuser. See, so all you do is fill it up to the max fill line. Put in, I would be, well, I think I would put no more than like 3 drops of pure essential oil, especially if it's something really strong, and then go from there, because I'm impressed with the amount of mist it throws out. Also, it turns itself off once it's dry, so it's not gonna break. I don't know why it went out by itself. I don't know. But hey, I want it for the car, and that's where it's gonna go. And it's pretty cute. So far, so good. Of course, it's white. And only West doesn't have an internal battery, so it only works if it's hooked up to anything with a USB-A block or a car charger. Yeah, so it doesn't go off by itself. It doesn't change the mist level. I just the light show, and that's off. So it's a pretty powerful little diffuser. It's pretty cool.